In primetime news this evening, preparing for the worst. Hospitals bracing for impact of fresh wave of COVID-19 cases. Tourism sector benefits from first batch of COVID-19 self-test kits. And jump in COVID-19 cases sends positivity rate above 30%. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, with the rise in COVID-19 cases, what are your views on schools resuming face-to-face classes next week? You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.